Yeah! Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing just fine. I'm sure you guys are wondering where all the 86 videos are, and today we do have a really small mod to do to the 86. Now for those that don't know, this is a throttle spacer and it should give me more leverage for my heel and toe shifting. So that's the point of this video. I'm just going to be looking more into this throttle spacer and see if it really does help with heel and toe shifting, which I think it will, but we'll have to see. But let's go ahead and get started. Let's go. So looking at this really quickly, this is the bag that this kit came in. Pretty interesting packaging. It's really just a picnic bag and it's got that full throttle modification sticker. You get some full throttle stickers right here, and inside the bag you do have the throttle spacer itself right here. Looking at it, you can easily tell that this is just plastic. It's 3D printed, which they feel super cheap. I don't know how strong they're gonna be. Now there are some competitors online that sell these throttle spacers for a lot more, but I believe they're actually metal or aluminum. The pedal stop will be fine, but we'll see about this right here. Like I said, it's just 3D printed and it feels relatively cheap. You can see it kind of flexing when I put some pressure on it. You're not going to be putting pressure on it like this. You're going to be putting pressure on it like that. But you know, let's just go ahead and get this mod started and see if there's any difference when I try to do heel and toe. Honestly, there's still so much more I need to learn to do heel toe shifting, but I will say that the pedal shifter definitely made a difference. It's definitely a lot easier. It's just a matter of me mastering it at this point. Pretty rough in this video, but that's the point. I just want to get better. So that's pretty much the end of this video. Just wanted to get a really quick install video and some footage of me trying to, or attempting to heel toe shift. Before I forget, next week I will be doing an autocross event, so I'm gonna be trying to get some good footage. So definitely look forward to that. With all that being said, if you guys want to know what's going to be happening next to 86, the XT, 986 with a Z, feel free to like and subscribe. And again, thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.